Hey, it's Brandon Lindsay here, and a popular question I get asked is, can the IRS take money out of my bank account? And the short answer is yes, they can. They can actually do a lot of things to collect. The IRS is one of the most aggressive collection agencies there is. Now, today I want to tell you about 7 things that can happen when a taxpayer owes the IRS. Number 1 is you'll have penalties. The IRS charges a failure to pay penalty for paying taxes late. This penalty can get as high as 25% of the taxes due. Number 2, you'll have interest. Yes, the IRS does charge interest on the balance that's due. Interest is calculated from the due date of the return until the balance is paid in full. Number 3, they'll take refunds. Let's say you owe a balance from last year and you still haven't paid it. If you do a refund when you file this year, the IRS will take that and apply it to your old balance. And when this happens, they typically send a letter and tell you that they've taken your refund. Number 4, the IRS could file a tax lien. Now, this is a public record that protects their interests if you try to sell your assets, such as a house. For example, I was hired once to help a client sell a house that had a large tax lien on it, and during that transaction, a check was cut to the IRS at the closing. So the IRS is looking for cash when a property sells that's connected to a tax lien. Number 5, the IRS can levy your bank account, as we talked about earlier. Number 6, the IRS can garnish your wages. This is when they'll contact your employer and take a certain amount of your paycheck. Number 7, the IRS can come after your Social Security. Yes, if you're receiving Social Security benefits, the IRS can take a percentage of your Social Security and apply it to your back tax payments. So those are 7 things that can happen when a taxpayer ignores the IRS. The list doesn't include everything that can happen, but I at least wanted to give you an idea of some of the things that could happen. So if you have any questions about any of this or any questions about back tax issues at all, reach out to me. My contact information should be in the link below. Thanks for watching. Take care.